Every week, bars and restaurants lose hours of labor and thousands in revenue, not because demand isn't there, but because alcohol ordering is still broken. Orders come in through portals, texts, calls, and emails. Inventory lives somewhere else. And operators are left guessing what's actually behind the bar and how much profit disappears because of it. Enter SmartOrders by BeerBoard, an agnostic, centralized platform powered by alcohol intelligence. It replaces fragmented systems, eliminates guesswork, creates shared visibility between operators and distributors, and turns inventory into a profitability powerhouse. Here's how it works in action. When deliveries arrive, inventory updates automatically. Distributors send the invoice to the operator and request payment directly from the operator's bank via ACH. As drinks are poured, stock levels adjust in real time. SmartOrders analyzes sales and pour data to recommend optimal orders, keeping high-demand items stocked, capturing more pours, serving more guests, and driving consistent revenue growth. On average, operators cut carrying costs by 30%, save at least 5 hours weekly, and unlock extra revenue through precise ordering. No third-party payment processors are needed. Distributors send invoices directly to the operator through SmartOrders, where transactions are handled via ACH directly with your bank. This aligns debits, invoices, and inventory in one seamless workflow, eliminating manual reconciliation, reducing delays, and keeping records perfectly synced. SmartOrders transforms alcohol ordering into actionable intelligence, seamlessly connecting inventory, ordering, delivery, and payments. Powered by alcohol intelligence, SmartOrders.